All right, good afternoon. Toby Bowen, Field Product Specialist with AGCO Corporation. I'm here with Joey Miley, Farm Manager of Langdale Farms in Valdosta, Georgia. Out here today, we've been demoing and running a Massey 5610 tractor and a 2946 4x6 round baler. Joey, what did you think about the baler's performance today?
I think it's a very economical baler to have. The simplicity of it, the makeup of it is very simple. There's not as many moving parts in it as some balers have. So it's very simple to operate, and it hasn't missed a lick yet.
Good, good. How about density? You guys are pretty.
Density of these bales is very good. The weight of these bales, we're very happy with these. This particular bale here probably weighs about 1,400 pounds. We're wrapping wet hay, so it fits exactly what we want to have in the end product.
You guys probably just cut this field about 2 hours ago.
Exactly.
So they're literally almost running right behind the mower. So,
right.
You guys have been real happy with this, and we're happy that you guys tried it for us.
Exactly.
We've only rolled with AGCO mesh, and
yes,
it's run pretty well overall. And any questions that you have about it?
Nope. I really appreciate the service we've had out of y'all. Y'all have been real good about coming out and helping us get this baler running, and that really means a lot to us.
Well, we appreciate it, Joey. Thank you.
Pretty tight bale.